I'm on page 74 looking at tutorial 2-6, and we need to open that. This is the leftover from 2-5, so we're going to open, and we should go to our data folder here by default, because that's where we were the last time. And I want tutorial 2-6 right here. Open that up. And I think I've already done that, but I'll save it anyway. Okay, so here's my map, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to zoom in on it a little bit here, so it's not so much white space, so let's do that. And I'm supposed to save it as tutorial 2-6, and I'm going to put my name on the end of it. Actually, it says in the chapter 2 folder, so let's go to my exercises, chapter 2, and save it as tutorial 2-6. Click on save, and now they've already prepared a bookmark for us here that will zoom us in on Pennsylvania. The authors of our textbook are from Carnegie Mellon in Pittsburgh. Okay, we have a map of the United States, and we want to go to a bookmark labeled Pennsylvania. And there we are, zooming in on the state of Pennsylvania, and in the table of contents I want to right click on the population, so I've got two layers here, and I want to choose properties, and I want to go to the Symbology tab, and in the show panel under quantities I want dot density. Okay, and dot density will basically put more dots in a county. This looks like it's organized by county, and if there's more people in the county, you'll put more dots. If there's fewer people in the county, you'll put fewer dots. And so instead of doing different colors like we did with the choropleth map, in this case we're just going to do more dots equals more people, fewer dots equals fewer people. So choose dot density, and then I've got to tell what field I want, and I want the population 2010 field. So let's look through here. There's population 2010, and move the field to the right pane. So I'll click on that. I guess I can't drag it, but I can click on the arrow here and move it over to the right pane. Okay. And the symbol here, let's double click on the symbol. You can barely see that. And we're going to change the color for that to Mars red. And click on OK. Okay. And now it gives us a little preview down here. It says click the line button in the background section. That would be this button right here. And select gray 20% as the color and click on OK. And type 5,000 as the dot value. Right here, it's 2,000 right now. Let's change a 2 to a 5. And click on OK. And now what we're going to see is we are mapping the population. And I'm not sure exactly how it decides how it's going to scatter the dots within a given area, but I don't think there's any significance to where the dots are. I think the significance, or specifically where they are, I think the only thing that's significant here is that the dots are inside of a given county. Okay, so If there's 2 dots in this county, then there's only 10,000 people living in that county. Okay. Over here I've got one with, well, there's a couple on the edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 5,000 must be 40,000 in this county, somewhere around 15,000 in this county, and so on. Actually, we can probably check on that if we go up here and click on our little identify, and let's pick this one here, and it tells me okay, that's the state, and what I want is the population in 2010. And that is giving me what appears to be the population for the entire state. Okay, I paused the video for a second and tried to figure out what was wrong, and actually it just appears like it was a refresh item. So let's close it here, and now I've still got my information button selected, so I'm going to click on the county here, and apparently I had to close it and start over again is all that I needed to do. So apparently the name of that county is Forest County, and the population in 2010, let's find population 2010 here. Maybe we can sort these. Okay, let's sort them in reverse order, and population 2010 was 7,700. Okay, so it's between 5,000 and 10,000, and guess what? There are 2 dots there, which would indicate 10,000. Okay, and actually, if you round that off, it would round to 10,000. So let's go click on another county here. This one looks like it should be around 15,000. And if we check on the population in 2010, it was 17,457. So that rounds to the nearest 5,000. It rounds to 15,000. And they were just 43 people short of rounding up to 20,000. And this one over here, I think I said would be 40,000 if I counted the dots correctly. And the population in 2010 for that was 39,238. So the number of dots within a region here indicates the population of that region, but the location of the dots doesn't really mean anything. Okay, and so we're going to save this map. And it's already labeled tutorial 2-6, and I will let you do the your turn part on your own, and we'll stop the video here.